Welcome to our brief overview of the Amsco 3085 SP surgical table, a reliable, versatile, and budget-friendly solution for your surgical needs. In this video, we will highlight its key features to help you understand its benefits for different surgical procedures. Being the leading brand in the field of surgery table, the Steris Amsco table offers a wide range of positioning to meet the surgical demands in an operation room. Let's explore its key features and benefits of this table, directly imported from USA by Appex Global Trading in Pakistan. Engineered for strength, flexibility, and versatility, the Amsco 3085 SP surgical table supports up to 1,000 lbs, accommodating both routine procedures and intensive surgeries. This surgical table features a dual control panel system, allowing medical professionals to position and adjust the table with ease, improving workflow and minimizing errors. The T-shaped pedestal design offers optimal access to the patient. The stable and balanced foundation of table ensures safety during various surgical positions. The normal and reverse orientation functions also ensures the optimal usage for patient and surgical team. Radiolucent tabletop feature of this table enhances imaging capabilities. The removable head section of this surgical table enhances imaging access, allowing for better positioning and clearer imaging, especially with C-arm equipment. The Steris Amsco 3085 SP features a wide and spacious tabletop dimensions of 76 inches by 20 inches. Height adjustment. Adjustable height range from 27 to 44 inches. This further allows for optimal positioning for both patients and surgical staff. Advanced articulation. Advanced articulation capabilities include lateral tilt, Trendelenburg, and back and leg adjustments for precise positioning. The manual dedicated kidney elevator adds further versatility. The Amsco 3085 SP is overall an economical option with its user-friendly design and the required range of positioning options for surgical team. Thank you for watching our overview of the Amsco 3085 SP surgical table. If you want to experience the durability, flexibility, and efficiency this table offers, then feel free to place an order, contact, or to visit our Islamabad showrooms. Our team is ready to assist you with special discounts available.